70 years ago, the leaders of the world came together to bring the right as human. So we are born free and equal as one being, simply meaning we can't discriminate. We got to be that way, equality. My friend, you have the right to life. We must never read and torture. And my tradition now, you got this human right, no matter where you go. 'Cause we are all equal before the law and needs protect our human rights. So sing along with me. I am defender, you are defender, we all defender of human rights. So sing along with me. I am defender, you are defender, human rights for everyone. We have the freedom of thoughts and expression, with the rights to public assembly, making the right impression, the right to democracy, with appropriate social security. With every worker's right being protected, we must be able to pay uninterrupted for the right to food and shelter. As important than your right to education, right, the creation someday is gonna be right. For a free and free one world, it's not out on our own side. No one can take away your human right. So sing along with me. I am defender, you are defender, we all defender of human rights. So sing along with me. I am defender, you are defender, human rights for everyone.
A right is what not given by someone, it's what no one can take away from us.
Human Rights Day is celebrated annually across the world on 10 December every year.
The day was chosen to honor the United Nations General Assembly's adoption and proclamation of Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
Rights are the basic conditions of man's good life, which are recognized by the legal code of the state.
Freedom of thoughts,
Freedom of expression,
right to education,
right to public assembly,
right to freedom of religion,
right to fair trial,
right to social security.
right to democracy, workers' rights, and many more.
When human rights violations are not investigated and serious consequences are not followed, then humans' blood becomes easier to shed.
Human rights are universal in nature. Some of the human rights include the right to live, which means to live with dignity, implying the fulfillment of all basic needs. Freedom of thought, expression, and religion, helping in building one's character. Right to acquire nationality, which guarantees you the status of citizenship. Freedom of protection against arrest or detention, which means a person cannot be arrested without a proper reason or a proper warrant. Right for education, which helps in dispelling ignorance and helps individuals combat injustice in society.
To deny people's human rights is to challenge the very humanity, the power of Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a driving force to change the world's thinking. Every day must be a Human Rights Day, a day on which we ensure that all the people gain equal rights, dignity and respect. So together, let's be the voice for the voiceless.